Well, go on, people, thanks so far back to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Now, me know, say, what you pound, probably look on and say, no, sir. Our Pattern News Network did there. Look how much news are going on in Jamaica and around the world and them thing that when I hear nothing from Pattern News Network. Well, people, we are back. We is back. We is back with the news, people. And I don't know what's the NWC and a bag of these other places did strike and them thing. Well, Pattern News Network did stroke as well. The past tense, we did stroke. But we're there back with the news and them thing if you make you know what's going on in Jamaica and around the world. Pattern News Network style. First thing for the news right now, people, as we can meticulously scrutinize, we a report from his son. Because his son Jamaica, they can't know else. And his son, the place hot loud. And as we can notice as well, me a sweat in the studio. Because how much the years now Pattern News Network operator, we still can't put one AC unit in the studio. But me kind of understand still. Because to the price them stay with gas and with JPS right now, me would have never turn on my AC in my house or in our studio. Because me can't pay the bill when me done. Hold on there. Not in the good summer here, but we can't afford gas and all them things that we not go burn no AC. But me know some of no yard have 3 and 4 fan and all the fan them around, you still can't cool down, don't. Poor thing. Some of live a Portman roast like breadfruit right now. Poor thing. Yeah man, it's so cool down though. So cool down, you so get little coolness. Next thing for the news, people, when you look out a door, and you look to the hills, what you see? It's white, don't. It is not snow, it is not smoke, and it's not fog. And the Saharan dust, it forward back. So for you know I wonder why outside looks so white in the daytime, and the Saharan dust. But for someone who use Saharan dust as excuse for a girl and a cough and a drop and about to have sinusitis and allergies. And the door but come in my space, you know. Can me thump uno in a uno chout. You hear me? Though, but I come in my space, but you have sinus problem, you have cough. You get a COVID test, because COVID very much in the streets still right now. I walk up and down. So I beg you no do, but I come in my space. Can me thump in your throat. Go get a COVID test. Oh. As you realize, you know, the gas price is not going down. It keep on a go up. Sometimes some $3, some $4 add-on per week. It now go down. If it go down, I buy probably like 5 cents or 10 cents. But we just want to put out a public service announcement on behalf of a bag of people we're afraid to say it. When you see people and we love invite people out to come at them yard and to go out of town pan trip and answer that something I invite to come a wedding and them thing there, we not turn up. Sorry, but we are turned down on the invitation unless we are get pick up. Whether I you a drive or one taxi or no other the carpooling thing and them thing that we take that. But we're not driving, go nowhere. If I no work or something we involved with family or with picnic and them thing that we're not going. So on behalf of everybody, stop invite people out of places. Whether it be in a yard, whether it be in a wedding and them thing there, unless we're not going to find out and work out how we are going to reach because we not drive. Next piece of news right now, people, and I want our Pattern News Network exclusive. Now we know by now, so everybody hear about the attempted robbery. We're going to the bank and mobile. I don't see the news, I don't see the video footage, I don't see everything already, people. But we sure a Pattern News Network, so I'm going to hear an interview with a madman. We run off the thief them. People, we find the interview and we are getting the interview right now, so let's check it out. Thanks so far back to the Pattern News Network, people. So as we telling you, how we say news, and how we say exclusive. So we're out on the street right now with the one, the only, Mr. Ringo himself. Ringo are the man who stopped the bank robbery go on and mobile over there. So we want to fire from Ringo. Who are really going on it?
I'm supposed to know, say I mean name Ringo. The original goat teeth, side teeth, front teeth, one time in there have no teeth, gringo. And I me make the boy them run. If you run up and down. So which station this now? A TV?
So Ringo, what did go on?
What go on when?
No, what go on make you stop the robbery? What happened? Tell me what.
You know, say, me up in the mango tree, you know. I pick off me lunch off a Julie mango tree. And me up in a tree. And as I'm about to reach the right mango, me hear Princess bawl out.
Alright.
So when me hear Princess bawl out, me have to jump down out of the tree. Fi go find out a wagwan. So when me go around there, so me see one boy have him hand around Princess neck.
Who named Princess?
No, Princess are the security.
Oh,
and if you don't know anything about Princess, a Princess make sure say me eat and make sure say, you know, any little thing where she can give me she give me. So I see the boy hold on to princess neck and I see how she a ball out. Me just say, alright, that a when the original gringo come out. When me was a boy I grew up, you know. Me used to love watch the western them and the gun show them, you know. Any sound you want gun make me can make it out of my mouth. Any sound you want hear some of my sound them?
No, Ringo, no, we don't want to hear the sound them. We don't have time to hear the sound them right now.
You don't want to hear. So yeah, me jump down out of a tree. And I go around there and I see princess. And him have princess up on the ground. Right? Him have princess on the ground. And I say, I can't my princess that him have on the ground, so. So I'm just saying, yeah. And I jump out of a tree. Hold on, I jump out of a tree already. And I say, you can't deal my princess, sir. So I just, hold on, I want pee-pee. Hold on. So I go say, I drive in my machine. My AK-27. And I walk around there. And I go say, bye! Bye, bye! And I see boy run and the magazine drop on the ground.
Oh, so them feel like someone gun you did have, I see.
So I walk out and I say, and I realize the boy them run off. So I just walk up like a boss, like a me on the place. And I say, yeah, no, go on. You're a fool, an idiot. So when heroes there come, they might make me, the original gringo, one hero? Or them not gonna make me a hero? Cause me supposed to get hero for what me do. Them say me a man of unsound mind. But my mind make a whole heap of sound at the time. So what them a talk about?
Next piece of news right now, people, and I want to important for the people who love fly go foreign and them thing there. As of the 12th of this month, which is Sunday gone, when you can fly go to the US without no COVID test and them thing, and I feel nice, don't it? Yeah man, for allow them to take plane like bus so they can save no little money now and they can fly go to the US without doing a COVID test, but you still have to be fully vaccinated to fly go to people in the country. And when we make the news, we'll start telling them what go on. Next piece of news right now, people, and I want to is again a Pattern News Network exclusive people. People are always exclusive, you know. Always say give the news, the rest of the news network them can't find, you know. Now we know so they hear everything about the lion where they bite out the brother finger and I do one them thing they don't. But me can't bet you know any money. So I'll never hear an interview from the lion himself. People are winning Pattern News Network, you know. And I always say investigative journalism, you know, people. So we go find King Shango himself, the lion, where bite off a brother finger, you know, people. We have an exclusive interview for you, you know. Take in an interview, your people. You don't know, say, King Shango, the lion of the jungle, king of the jungle. And me just want to clear the ear. Because a bag of things I get say and I talk. And me have to make the eye them know what really go on. So as you know, I man is a lion. And as far as you know might know, I grew up in the jungle. We hunt any wild animal we want hunt. Yeah man, so them take I from I home, bring I come to Jamaica. I come give I beer bush and them thing there in a cage. I want to know, say, me the bringle about that, you know. Cause when me in the jungle, me can run free. Come Jamaica and we lock up in a cage. I push man on them side and them thing there. Hold on there. Hey boy, move up your paw. Move up your paw, youth. Just because man in a prison with you, I feel like say I come put on. Move up from your side before me, yeah, don't make me bite in your neck, you know. Sorry about that. So I say, yo, me in the cage and I say, alright, me make a good situation out of a bad situation. But me notice say a beer grass them a feed, man. Beer bush. Me can't get no meat for eat. You see me? Why if that talk there still? But me can't get no meat for consume. You see me? No little chicken and them thing there. No little wild animal, no zebra. No hippopotamus, nothing like that. So I say, alright. Just I go and hold it. But me couldn't hold it no longer when me see the youth are supposed to clean up with cage. The man come at the cage where they and them a full thing of box food, a chicken and rice with oxtail and curry goat gravy mix up. And me a look on the man and near me food. Why if that thought there again? Him a consume the food in front of me. And then me see him go and dangle the piece of chicken in front of the cage like a taunt. Him a taunt me. Like him a bait up me thing. So I say, you know, say I gotta lose that one finger the way I use a dangle the meat. And I say, alright, me nah while you. Not even one road, me not road to make him know nothing better. Him come at the cage the afternoon and the people, them a make up them nice and them a laugh. And them a hype and a go on. So they put him in the cage and start shaking. Me just go say, and bite it. And I go say, I say, me nah let go. And I go say, and them just go say, and rip it off. And pit it out, cause we nah name no man finger. Next time you hold a box food, remember King Shango. And the evils, them what you do it. So that really go on in a pain then. The boy violate, so I bite off him finger. But that is all now, people. That is all for the Patwa News Network today. I want to thank you for following and for support the network. And just big up on yourself, man. You don't know.